Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to insert a SIM card into your Redmi 15, and trust me, the process is quite simple. First things first, to insert a SIM card into your Redmi 15 you would need a SIM card ejector tool like this one over here. This should actually come inside of the box of your Redmi 15, but if you do not have yours, you can go ahead and get any tiny pin that is as slim as this and is also pointed so that we can use it to open up the SIM card tray. Once you have your SIM card ejector tool or anything that looks alike, you can just go over to your Redmi 15 and then turn over to the left hand side. You're going to see this SIM card tray over here and this little hole on the SIM card tray just close to the SIM card tray. You want to use your SIM card ejector tool, insert it inside of this little hole and then just press it a little hard until it actually pops out. So just insert it and press until it pops out a little hard. Now you can see that mine has just popped out. Once it pops out a little bit, you can drop your SIM card ejector tool and then use your finger to pull out the SIM card tray. Make sure you do it very carefully so that it does not break inside of your Redmi 15, just like so. This is exactly how it looks like. Now what you want to do is to get your SIM card. It should actually be a nano SIM card, and then you want to insert it inside of the SIM card tray. Now you actually have two slots from over here. The first is this first compartment and then the second is this one at the end over here. The first compartment is for SIM 1 and then the second compartment is for SIM 2. To insert your SIM card on the first compartment, all you just have to do is to take notice of this little cord on your SIM card. You can literally see there is a little cord on my nano SIM card over here. You want to make sure that it actually fits with the little cord as well on the SIM card tray. So if you look at the SIM card tray, you're also going to notice this little cord over here. You want to make sure that both cords actually fit together, and then you can proceed to insert your SIM card with the SIM card tray inside of the SIM card slot on your Redmi 15. But if you want to add a dual SIM or another SIM into the second compartment, all you just have to do is to carry your SIM on the second compartment. Just over here, you're also going to notice there is a little cut or a little curve. You just want to make sure that the curve actually fits with the SIM card, and then you can now proceed to insert it. You can literally see where I have the curve in the second compartment. Once you have your SIM card inserted, you can now proceed to just insert it just like so into the SIM card slot on your Redmi 15. And once it enters fully, you can now proceed to turn on your Redmi 15. Give it a little bit of time and your SIM card should be showing on your Redmi 15. You can literally see I now have network. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.